Jazz, where are you?
I am in the living room. Why?
What are you doing?
Nothing important, just scrolling on my phone.
That means wasting time.
Hey, I call it relaxing.
Anyway, we need groceries.
Again? We just went last week.
Yes, and you finished all the snacks in 2 days.
That is not my fault. Snacks disappear quickly.
Yes, into your stomach.
Okay, fine. What do we need?
Vegetables, fruits, milk, bread, and basic things.
And snacks. Don't forget snacks.
We will see about that.
Are you ready?
Give me 5 minutes.
Last time you said 5 minutes, it became 20.
This time I am serious.
I don't trust your 5 minutes anymore.
Okay, I'm ready now.
That was actually fast. I'm impressed.
See, I can be quick.
Sometimes.
Should we walk or take a rickshaw?
Let's walk. We need some exercise.
Good idea. You need it.
That was rude.
I'm just being honest.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
Perfect day for shopping.
No one says that.
I just did.
Did you bring the shopping bag?
Oh, no, I forgot.
Seriously?
We can buy another one.
We already have 10 at home.
Okay, next time I will remember.
You always say that. Look, we reached the supermarket. It's so crowded today.
Weekend effect.
Let's take a trolley.
Yes, basket will not be enough.
First, vegetable section.
Okay, boss.
Don't call me boss.
Then don't act like one.
Pick fresh tomatoes.
These look good.
Check properly.
Why are you so serious about vegetables?
Because we have to eat them.
What about potatoes?
Yes, take 1 kilo.
Done. What next?
Onions and carrots.
Got it. Can we go to snacks now?
Not yet.
This is torture.
Be patient. Now fruits.
Apples or bananas?
Both.
What about mangoes?
Check the price first.
Wow, they are expensive.
Leave them.
That is painful. Finally, snack section.
Control yourself.
I will try.
No, you will control.
I'm taking chips.
Only 1 packet.
That is not enough.
It is enough.
Okay, and biscuits?
Fine.
And chocolates.
No. Please. Okay, 1 chocolate.
You are very strict.
Someone has to be.
Let's go to billing.
Wait, milk and bread.
Oh yes, we almost forgot.
That's why I'm here.
Now we are done.
Finally.
The bill will be big.
Because of your snacks.
Worth it.
Let's go home.
I'm tired already.
We just walked for 20 minutes.
That is enough for me.
At home, you will help me arrange everything.
Do I have a choice?
No.
Okay, I will help.
Put vegetables in the fridge.
Done.
Keep snacks in the cupboard.
Safe place.
Yes, away from you.
That is not fair.
It is necessary.
What's for dinner?
Something simple.
Good, because I am tired.
You are always tired.
That is my talent.
Tomorrow, we need to clean the house.
Tomorrow is my rest day.
No, tomorrow is cleaning day.
Life is so difficult.
Stop complaining.
I'm not complaining, just expressing feelings.
Very dramatic feelings.
Anyway, today was productive.
Yes, we finished all shopping.
And I got snacks.
That was your main goal.
True.
Okay, now relax.
Finally, something I'm good at.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.
Let's survive today first.
Agreed.
Good teamwork today.
Yes, not bad.
See, I am helpful.
Sometimes.
I will remember that.
Please don't.
Too late.
Okay, enough laughing. Now tell me honestly, are you really going to help tomorrow or just make excuses again?
I will help, but only if you don't wake me up too early in the morning.
Cleaning cannot start at noon, Jazz. We need to start early to finish on time.
That sounds like a full-day project already. I am feeling tired just thinking about it.
Stop being lazy and listen carefully. We will divide the work so it becomes easier for both of us.
Okay, that sounds a little better. What do I have to do?
You will clean the living room, arrange the shelves properly, and also vacuum the floor.
That is a lot of work. What will you do then?
I will clean the kitchen, organize the cupboards, and wash all the extra dishes.
I think your work is easier than mine.
Really? Then we can switch if you want.
No, I'm fine with my work. I was just asking.
Good. Then no complaints tomorrow.
I will try my best, but I cannot promise 0 complaints.
At least try to reduce them.
Okay, I will complain only a little.
Also, after cleaning, we should plan something relaxing.
Finally, something I like to hear. What do you suggest?
Maybe we can watch a movie at home or go out for a short walk in the evening.
Movie sounds perfect. Walking again is too much exercise for one day.
You really don't like walking, do you?
I like walking, but only when it is absolutely necessary.
That means never.
Exactly.
By the way, we also need to fix that broken chair in the balcony.
Oh no, I completely forgot about that. It's been broken for weeks.
Yes, and every time I see it, I remember that you said, I will fix it tomorrow.
Okay, I will fix it tomorrow for real this time.
I hope so, because tomorrow never comes in your case.
That is a little harsh, but also a little true.
And one more thing. We should also check the grocery items properly and make a list for next week.
Already? We just bought everything today.
Yes, but planning early makes things easier later.
You really like planning everything in advance.
Yes, it saves time and avoids confusion.
I think I should learn this habit from you.
That would be a great improvement.
Don't expect too much too soon.
I will start with small expectations.
Right now, I am going to sit and relax for some time.
Of course, after all that hard work in the supermarket.
Hey, pushing the trolley is not easy.
Yes, especially when it is full of snacks.
You will never forget that, right?
Never.
Anyway, thank you for reminding me about everything. Without you, I would forget half the things.
That is why teamwork is important.
Yes, and also someone responsible in the team.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm going to make some tea. Do you want some?
Yes, but less sugar, please.
I know, you don't like too much sugar.
Good. At least you remember something.
See, I'm improving slowly.
Very slowly.
Progress is still progress.
While you make tea, I will quickly check the groceries and arrange a few things.
Don't start too much work now, otherwise you'll be tired tomorrow.
Don't worry, I know my limits.
That's good.
And please don't forget the tea on the stove like last time.
That happened only once.
It was enough for me to remember.
Relax, I'm being careful this time.
Good.
Tea's ready.
That was quick.
See, I can be fast when I want to.
Impressive.
Let's sit and enjoy this tea peacefully.
Yes, after a long day, this feels nice.
Today was simple but productive.
Yes, small tasks, but important ones.
Tomorrow will be a little more challenging.
But we will manage it together.
Agreed.
Okay, finish your tea and then get some rest.
Yes, I need energy for tomorrow's mission cleaning.
Exactly.
Tomorrow will be another busy but good day.